6 months. It has been 6 months since I've made a video. And you guys deserve to know what the heck I've been up to. Why did I just disappear? What am I working on now? What's coming in the future? Let's get into it. So what I haven't been doing is cleaning up the shop. And that is something that desperately needs to happen. So about 6 months ago, I sat down one day and decided to go through all of my revenue streams. YouTube, Amazon affiliate links, shirt sales, building bikes for customers, parts, all of it. I put it all in a spreadsheet to see how much money am I actually making doing this thing. Not enough. That's how much revenue I was making, which was a hard realization to come across. It was a much needed exercise to get into. I was a little embarrassed about how little I actually tracked all of it, if I'm completely honest. And right at that same time, an opportunity popped up for me to go back to a kind of traditional 9-to-5 style job, and I jumped on it. That job pretty quickly ran its course. The company was great, but they wanted to relocate to Dallas. I wasn't willing to do that, so we kind of cut ties. That is when I decided to kind of check out jobs in the tech industry, see if I wanted to go back there.
The job cuts in big tech are piling up. Microsoft said today it's laying off 10,000 employees.
So with tech jobs being few and far between these days, that pushed me back towards Classic Octane. That's when I really started to go through some of these emails and DMs and comments that you guys have left me over the last couple of months, and it made me realize a portion of Classic Octane that I had lost sight of, and that is the community that we have here and that we've built. And that really lit a fire under me to try and get this YouTube thing going again. In studying the YouTube channel over the last couple of weeks, I've identified 3 main things I need to focus on. One is consistency. So I need to upload quality content on a regular basis. So that doesn't mean daily or anything crazy like that, but 1 or 2 videos a week should be no problem. I should have the content around here to create that many. But what I will not sacrifice is quality of the videos. So that's the next thing I want to focus on. Video, audio, editing quality, all of that stuff. I want to make good, enjoyable, fun, entertaining videos that a ton of people want to watch. That will help the channel grow. The next thing that will help the channel grow is some more diverse content. As much as I absolutely love classic Hondas, I think we need to branch out a little bit. Get back to the R65 build, get some car content in here around the Camaro. I have tons of projects on that. And also get out of the shop. I want to get out of this background, go out, ride some more, drive some more, go to some events, just have some more content that's not just sitting here in the shop. I think all of those things will kind of lend themselves well to hopefully pretty drastic growth in the not too distant future. I do want to take a quick second just to apologize to you guys. So I was in a pretty bad headspace a couple of months ago, just kind of doing all of that research and putting everything in a spreadsheet and realizing the company's not doing what it should be doing to continue down that path. It's hard to have kind of given up a lot to pursue Classic Octane full-time just to realize it's not quite panning out. That was a tough pill to swallow, and it kind of led me down, just stop everything, full stop, change directions. And that wasn't the right move. I owe more than that to you guys for following me for so long. I mean, some of you guys have watched my videos for literally for years, and that's huge. So I want to apologize to all those people. I had a lot of really nice DMs and emails that came in saying, hey, I miss watching your content. I could use some new videos right now. My son and I watch your content and we've been missing it a lot lately, and a lot of those are what's encouraging me to get back into it. So I wanted to take a quick second and say, hey, sorry for kind of ghosting you. It was not the right thing to do. That's on me, but we're past it now. Hopefully you guys are still sticking around, and we're going to move forward. I'm extremely excited to get back into YouTube and to really give it my full focus. I do still have a couple of parts and stuff on my website. I already have that inventory, so I'm going to continue to just fulfill those orders. So if you do need a diode or a synchronizing link or jet holders or anything like that, they will still be available. But 98% of my energy is going to be into YouTube videos. So please leave a comment below. Let me know what you've liked about my content previously. What was your favorite, build series? What kind of content would you like to see in the future? I'd like to fill the comment section with a ton of content ideas for us to be able to fulfill going forward. If I want to do weekly or bi-weekly videos, I'm going to need a lot of content ideas, so anything is welcome. In the meantime, while I work on the next video, if you guys want to check out the Will It Run playlist, I'll throw that up here now. I'll also throw a link to one of my favorite builds we've done in the past as well, so you can go over and check those out. I think that covers pretty much everything. All right, guys, I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you on the next one.